Good morning to day 2 of our back to school cleaning week. Yesterday we finished my room and my bathroom, got the bedding washed, most of the bedding washed. Today we need to finish up throw blankets. Both the bathrooms are done and dishes are gonna have to be done every single day, caught up. Today's to-do list is the kitchen, I'm in now, dining room, fixing to check, kitchen towels, and washing the big kitchen rug. That thing washes fairly easily, but it has to be done like every so often to keep it clean. So that is my to-do list for today. The kitchen itself is actually not that bad. There's some dishes that the kids have to wash, and then I have a few things I need to wash, but overall the kitchen's not that bad. So my goal is, we just purchased these new cups for the kids, and they keep getting water spots on the dishwasher, even though nothing else in the dishwasher does. And these are supposed to be dishwasher safe. Anyways, so we purchased new cups for the kids, new tumblers, because they didn't want to use the princess and Disney kitty looking ones anymore. And I've been trying to rearrange as we go, but I think now what I'm going to do is move all the tumblers to one side and then the glasses above the coffee mugs. So I'm going to try flipping these and see if I like it better. Yep, I definitely like that much better. And as she grows out of these, then we'll even have even more room for more kid-sized tumblers. The other thing too was that our goal was, Matt and I were able to find these juice glasses that actually match our regular glasses, purchased 2 separate locations. And now we have juice glasses, and this also gives them, this is the size they use for when they drink milk in the mornings or with dinners, and what they use to drink the orange juice out of. So it gives everybody a smaller glass, and it also gives us the bigger ones for their water. And that looks much better and makes me happier. And the rest of those, the reason why there's just those 2 there is the others are now down here in our Star Pack drink station that we have right here. So without knowing the plan today, the girls actually have already cleaned in here. I straightened up that table a little bit. The dog beds have been taken outside and shaken out because they were recently washed. So it's been cleaned in here. So after lunch, we can just mop. What I did with this table for now, this is the one I use for shelf. What I use it for is like holiday decor. Was I couldn't really find anything that really fit my summer vibe this year. And not really a lot of options for going places to shop for summer 2020. But somebody had given me 3 of these sweet apple candles. So I just spaced them out among the shelves. And then the other 2 are succulents from Dollar Tree. So I thought that was just like a little hint of color, at least for now, for summer. Next month in September, I'll start doing the fall decor because I usually wait till after Labor Day and get it done, because fall is my favorite season to decorate for. Because it lasts for so long. But this is what it looks like for now. This closet over the summer was already cleaned out. So I actually don't have to do anything in here. We also, when we redid the kitchen shelf, had put the extra storage things in here up on this shelf, the zoo cups and things off the top of the fridge in here, and most of the summer it's just stayed pretty organized. So it's finished. So actually there's not as much to do today. So we should get, see, I cleared the top of this off. There's a Bluetooth speaker up there right now, where we were cooking in here on Saturday and making malasadas. And then this is the shelf that we cleared off and everything. And the kids have been doing their dishes. I knocked most of mine out last night. They had a couple of things because we take turns rotating so that one person's not washing all the dishes all the time. So they're knocking theirs out this morning. I did wipe where the bread box goes and wiping the bread box down to get that finished. Stove's mostly been wiped down. There's just a couple things here and there that we're going to do for deep cleaning purposes, like scrubbing the floors and washing the rug. Like we mop the floors, but like we're gonna scrub the floors today. And probably, maybe if we have time, just at least wipe down the fronts of the cabinets after lunch and wipe down the front of the stove after lunch. But then from there we should be finished, and then that way you can hear the washer running. We can finish up the throw blankets today. Lunch is finished. Somebody had to be put in the kennel for spitting his food all over the kitchen floor or living room floor. And this also keeps him from walking all over the floor while it's being mopped. But he's okay. He has a fresh new bed in there. I may look into getting him a more orthopedic one though, now that he's getting older. But now I'm going to use mop solution do this room and do the kitchen, which is also finished up. So knock all this out and we'll be done with our to-do list for today. Kitchen floor is completely clean, and we had a little bit of a head start yesterday. We actually sent the coffee pot to be washed. The pot itself and the lid can go in the dishwasher. The grounds piece you have to rinse with hot water. We put it over here to dry, but this is done. So while we wait for it to dry before we can do anything else for this evening, like washing dishes after supper, loading the dishwasher after supper, and putting stuff back in here, they have 2 hours till Dad gets home and we gotta let the floor dry. So since we're caught up today, that gives us time to just relax for our last week off from school.